Pag lumalaki ang tiyan mo, ano lang yan eh, we call them the F5. Either you're fat, you have a fetus, you have a flatulence, you have a fluid, and feces. Kapag tayang laman yan, usually you can use prune juice, olive oil, tapos pwede ka rin gumamit ng vitamin C. Pwede ka rin mag-castor oil. Pagka flatulence, maraming hangin, ginger. Yan ang pinakamaganda. Tapos acetate de manzanilla lang. Pati sa mga bata, pagka talagang sila, maraming hangin sa tiyan, lagyan nyo lang na acetate de manzanilla para makautot. And then you can do some exercises as well. It will benefit. Fetus, fluid. Pagka may fluid, you have to eat. Yung sinasabi nilang ascites, you have to eat eggs. Okay, a lot of eggs. The higher the oncotic pressure, the better for patient. Kumain ka lang ng eggs, lemongrass, o function sa diuret. Pag